Hey y'all, my name is Carly B. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am going to be doing an extreme laundry motivation video. As you can see, I've just been letting the clothes pile up for a while now, and I have finally had enough of it. So if you're like me and don't like to put your laundry away, go get it and we can do this together. I promise that you will feel so much better and more accomplished when it's done.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
While we are tackling our laundry together, I want to know, what is your least favorite thing to do around the house? Is it doing the laundry, washing and drying, or holding or putting away? Is it doing the dishes, putting them into the dishwasher, taking them out of the dishwasher and putting the dishes away? Or if you're like me and don't have a dishwasher, actually having to wash every cup, plate, pan, utensil that you use? Is it a certain room in the house, like the kitchen, the bedroom, or the bathroom? Comment down below what your least favorite thing to do around the house is.
Looking at us, thinking we had too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history.
Okay, I'm curious to know that if you are watching this before you have to do your laundry, or if you are watching it while you are doing your laundry. Do you like to watch your videos on your phone or on your TV, or do you have a tablet that you like to use? Let me know how you watch your videos in the comments below.
Finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys.
As you can see here, this cabinet has been let go for a little while too. We can tackle our under the sink cabinets together in a future video.
I've been too hurt before, you're not that special. Just give it up, I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
Have you transitioned your closet to fall yet? I haven't. It is still around 80 degrees here in Louisiana, but I cannot wait until we can get into the 70s. I feel like the 60s and 70s is the perfect temperature to be outside. You can pretty much wear whatever you want. My favorite is shorts and a long sleeve shirt with some tennis shoes. What is yours? You can comment below what your favorite type of clothes is, as well as what your favorite kind of weather is.
So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Alrighty y'all, we're getting near to the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to follow me on this new journey. I will be putting my last 2 videos at the end of the video if you are wanting to watch more. One of them is a calming, clean, and decorate with me, and the other is a couple of easy dinner ideas. So feel free to watch those if you would like, and I will see you in a few days with a new video. Bye!